So now here's the next question. Here's the next question. You can even stop the video and try this. Yeah. So for you to solve this thing there, they say that continue the pattern for the next 3 terms there. So here, this is the pattern that I have, 33. So they need you to continue the pattern there for the first 3 terms there. So 1, 2, 3. There. So for you to continue this pattern, what you should understand, you should know the difference between these numbers. So let's get the difference there. For you to get a difference, you just say right minus by left, right minus by left. So it simply says that this minus this is what I get there, which is 12, even as well as this one there. This minus this one, which is also 12 there. So it simply says that this thing, it's our difference, and a difference, guys, all the time it will be equal. It will be equal. As you can see there, it's 12. So you will take that difference, you will add it, you will add it, you will add it. 12, it's 12, 12. You will take this, add it to 12 there, meaning here it's 33 plus, it's 33 there plus 12. So this is what you will get there, which is 45. Then in say now 45 plus 12, meaning there I will get 57. Then I can say 57 plus 12, which is here I will get 69. Do you see? Yeah, that's how you continue the next 3 terms there. 1, 2, 3. So now the next question will simply say, now give a general formula for a pattern. If they ask about a general formula, guys, they ask you about the equation there. They ask you about a formula. It's a general term, it's a formula, or it's an nth term. So it simply says now this, it is its standard form there. I should know D and I should know C, but I know D because I already got it. So now I should get that C. For you to get C there, it will be C is equal to term 1 minus by the what? By the difference. Meaning now your term 1 there, it's what? It's 9 there. That is your term 1. Minus by D, which is 12. Meaning this is what you will get there. 9 minus by 12, you will get 3. Meaning it's 3. So you will get 3 there. Then you can take that 3 now, substitute to the equation. Your equation will become here, it's 12n minus by 3 there. That this it is what you call a general formula. Then now, the last question will say find the 10th term for the pattern. They ask you on position 10 there, find the 10th term for the pattern. They want to know the at position 10 your pattern, it will be what? At position 10 your pattern there, it will be what? Meaning here I'm given n now. Now they gave me n now, meaning now I should get this thing. And here I got the equation. So where there is n, I'll put what? 10 there. I'll put 10 there. Minus, meaning that position number 10, this is the number that I will have there, which is 10 and minus 3, which is 170. Do you see? Yeah. So at position number 10, this is the number that I will have on my pattern there. Remember I told you that this is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5, term 6 there. Meaning now this, it will continue. When it reached 10, term 10, it will be, that is the number that you will get there. Do you see? So now let me do this one as our last question then. Yeah, so this one it's kind of tricky because of those negative. And those negative, they should not trick you. It is just straightforward, this thing. So let me just take this. It's minus 12, minus 7, minus that. So they will need you to continue the next 3 terms there. Write down the 4th term of the pattern. So here they want you to write the 4th term there. The 4th term. What will be this 4th term there? I've got term 1, term 2, term 3, but I want to know the 4th term, it will be what? So for you to know the 4th term, you should first find a difference there. Say right minus, that thing guys, it's negative there, you should put it inside the brackets, just like this. Do you see? Which is here, it's right minus, that one also it's negative, right minus by left, for you to get a difference. So let me punch this thing on a calculator, which is minus 12. So this is what I get on my calculator. I got 12 there. Oh, I got 5, which is this thing, it's 5. Then what about that one there? It's minus 2. Minus by, calculate, minus by 7. So here I'll get what? I'll get 5 there. Meaning here I'll also get what? 5. Yeah. And remember, the first difference there will be this, will be equal. It will be equal there. Meaning here it's 5. So for you to get the 4th term, you will just take that 5, you add it with that thing here. This I got here I got negative 2 plus 5. This is what I will get there, which is minus 3. Or it's positive 3 there. Do you see? Yeah. Then if they need the first 3 terms, you'll just continue there. But this question, it only need the what? The 4th term. 4th term. So now the next question will simply say now determine the general term there. General term. So for you to determine what a general term, you should know its equation. This is the equation that you should know, which is here, it's dn plus c. For you to know c, just say first term minus by the difference, which is your first term there, it's negative 12, minus the difference there, it's 5. Meaning this thing there, still it will give me negative 17. Meaning here it's negative 17. So my general term now will become 5n minus by 17. So this one, it is the general term of the what? Of the pattern there. Yeah. So the next question now will simply say now determine the 12th term. If they give you this, guys, that thing there, it's your n, by the way. This one, it's your n there. They want you to determine on position 12 there, what number a pattern will have. Yeah. So for you to determine that, you just use the equation. Then where there is n, you'll substitute 12 there. Substitute 12, meaning this thing. So this thing, it will give you what? It's 5, 5, 12, and minus this, which is there, it's 43. Yeah, which is 43 there for this question. So now the last question will say now, which term in the sequence has a value of which term? Now they ask about n now. Which term? They want you to determine n there. For you to determine n, still you will use your equation, which is Tn is equal to 5n minus 17. So if they ask for n, it simply says that this is what you are given there. So this pattern there, it will be having this number there. But now we want to determine there, which term is that one there. So this is what you are given them. Now you should solve for n, substitute. This is what they gave you. Then n, you don't know, 17. Then you should solve that n there, meaning you should make n to be alone. Take this to the other side. Become positive, and this. Then press that thing down on a calculator to simplify those numbers. 2 plus 17. Meaning here I'll get what? That the n. Do you see? Then I can divide both sides by 5. Meaning now my n value, the n value will be equal to divided by 5, which is 49. Therefore, the n there is equal to 49. Yeah. So Simul says that on position 49, this is the number that we'll have during our pattern there. As that pattern continue, it means that when it reach 49, it means here it will have what? This number there. Do you see this thing? Yeah. Even as well as this one, by the way, as well as this one, on position 12, let's say position 12, it's around somewhere there, it's around here, it's position 12.